What's up, everybody? It's Ediblecat here with my boy CC Sowers, and we're doing an unboxing today of the Levo 2, the infuser, and we're going to be following up with a secondary video with the accessories that it comes with. So if you like it, check out the later video. Okay, everybody, we're going to start out with the box of the Levo 2, just go over a few things. First of all, it's Wi-Fi enabled, app controlled. You're using it to dry activate your herb. There's cycles for both herbs and botanicals. We've got 2 times the herb capacity than the original Levo, which is already a bonus. A 19-ounce ceramic coated reservoir, which is a plus because you know it's not cheap. And then it says there's no limit on what you can create, from bath bombs to marinades. Alright, we're going to turn the box here a bit. Okay, there's a few things that it can show. You can make some lollipops, butter, cookies, brownies, and what looks like some delicious blueberries. Turn around to the back here. So you're going to get your app from your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. And it's showing a couple different things here. Some different settings. You can dry, activate, and infuse. Obviously, you can save your settings, which is great. It looks like you can use your Wi-Fi Levo app to do that, which is also nice. Easily dispense the infusions with our ceramic coated slanted reservoir, which I mentioned earlier is a plus. You can infuse up to 19 fluid ounces of oil, butter, or herbs, fruits, and more at the touch of a button. And I am assuming that you can do more than just that. PowerPod doubles the herb capacity to infuse more potent oils and also help strain your herbs, I'm assuming. And what else do we have here? I don't know. Let's get into this unboxing, everybody. Yeah. Check this other side here real quick. Oh, a little bit more information for you. Tells you about your carrier. And the simplicity. Within 4 steps, you're on your way to enjoying your infused products. Alright, everybody. Enough messing around. Let's get to the goods here. Let's see what's in this box. As you can see, the box actually matches the color of the Levo inside, which I actually think is cool. Here we are. First thing we got here is the instructions and app stuff. We'll definitely, and the extended warranty. Definitely going to take a look at that. Put that aside for now. Let's get to the goodies.
Yeah, keep that safe.
Keep that safe. Okay. And here it comes, maybe. Yes.
Help you.
Got it. I'll just slide that over there. Put this here. Alright, that's the back of it.
Does that make coffee?
I think it does make coffee, Cameron. With Wi-Fi. Okay. Here it is. That's a beautiful color. I'm just going to say that right off the bat. And I love this base plate of chrome. Make it nice and easy to clean up. Let's see, right off the top it says, caution, reservoir gets hot during infusion. Allow cool down before handling. Well, duh. Please push down and open the lid. Oh, look at that. Well, how about that? And inside we've got, oh, look at this. We've got prizes. It's an extra strength power pod. Okay, well, I actually bought another power pod, but that's okay because it's always good to have extra. There's a little space up top here to put your power pod, which is nice. That's great. All right. Close the lid. Push it down. It's locked. Pretty nice. Pretty simple, pretty basic looking, but I really love the design. Oh. Got a little wrap for our cord. Let's plug it in. see how this works. Brr, 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 brr. And this is the power button. This is where you turn it on at.
Good morning, Dave.
How will me help you? Okay, everybody, I just wanted to go through the literature that the Levo came with. First thing is it comes with this card where you can just scan the QR code to get the app, either store. So that's great, makes that convenient and easy. Some delicious muffins there. Looks like we're hashtagging everyone, Levo made, and we get to maybe win something here with our Levo oil. It's not bad. Get our social media skills up there. We got our customer support card here. And registering our Levo for our extended warranty. Definitely want to hold on to that. A postcard in case you want to send your friends an update on how all of your infusions are going. They look happy. And we have the extended user manual, which I'm gonna have to give a look over here. I'm sure it's got all the ins and outs of what we need to know. Oh, look, science rules. Science does rule, kids. And in fact does. And the last thing here is our quick start guide, which we're going to go into for everyone, because who needs the long way when you got the short way? Getting started. What's in the box? What's in the box?
I don't know, man.
So it says, we've got our ceramic reservoir and our silicone nozzle, easy cleaning. Our Herb Pro, let's open that up. Power Pro pod, a silicone stir and pod protector, which I did not know was in there. Oh, surprise, surprise.
I like surprises.
So
No, I don't.
the herb protector, I know from prior research, is to protect the herb we're infusing from burning and creating a disgusting flavor in our oil and or butter. So fit about 3.5 grams of our herb in here. And I believe this silicone stir is to help dissipate our infusion evenly, which just is attached with a magnet and goes right in the bottom. I may not have gotten the best placement there, but we're working. Okay, so this has been the unboxing for the Levo 2. Please leave us some comments below if you have any insight on these. Like I said, I've done my research. I've bought this pack, and I'm excited to start infusing things with my man CC Sowers here. So we'll be back with our second unboxing video for the rest of the accessories after this. Check the description below for timestamps and any kind of links that we'll be providing for Levo 2. Thanks.